Mom, I'm hungry.
Shall I make fresh dosa for you?
No, Mom. What is this?
It's a leftover rice, Darshan.
Can we use this leftover rice and make something, Mom?
Yes, we can.
Let's try it, Mom.
Okay.
Ingredients: mustard seeds, groundnuts, and some cashew nuts. Rice flour, onion, coriander, and some curry leaves. Green chilies, ginger. Oil and cup of cooked rice. Take the blender, add the leftover rice. And grind it without water. Transfer the grinded rice into the bowl. Now add rice flour and salt for taste. Mix all together with little water. Now it's ready. Let's make small balls. Now the balls are ready to steam. Now steam for 10 minutes. Keep the pan and pour the oil. Once oil gets heated, add the mustard seeds and groundnuts. Fry until golden color. Now let's add chopped ginger and green chilies. Add curry leaves and onion now. Curry leaves, onion, fry. Now add the cooked steam balls into this. Mix it up. Let's garnish with coriander leaves. Now it's ready to serve. Transfer to the plate. Now it's ready. Serve with coriander chutney.